Now your retargeting is a huge lacking point in this. So
Mhm.
what we would do is we go to create and we're going to do catalog sales. Is this your catalog? Yeah, it looks like it is.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I have to update my catalog later, but yeah, you can show me how to do that, and I can do that later.
So you have a ton of products.
Yes, I do. I have a lot of SKUs.
We're going to retarget people viewed or added to cart last 14 days. We started out at $10. And then you don't have specific product sets, do you?
No, I mean, I haven't set up it, but yeah. I mean, I have never
You're gonna
done
want
catalog
to,
sales before.
okay, you're gonna want to set up your catalog. Flexify can help you build out a bunch of different product sets.
Say that again.
Flexify. Yeah, it's on your Shopify. If you go to apps and then like search Flexify, Flex,
Okay.
Flexify, Flexify.
Gotcha. Okay. Flexify. That's for the catalog sales.
Yes, that's going to make it to where you have different product sets because you'll want to choose different product sets.
Correct. Correct. Okay.
All right, and then our optimization is going to be for conversion events.
Well, there's a weird thing. I've been talking with Facebook about that. I mean, I've already verified maybe it's business, but they can't let me use the value one.
Mm-hmm. Then we'll go 7-day click or 1-day view. All right,
Okay.
so you have all these settings. And then essentially on this step, since these are people who viewed, what we'll do is this is going to be a dynamic ad. See, it's pulling in everything. You would normally do a product set, but it is what it is. So here we can say something like, let me pull some up on my end. Like, hey, we saw you added cart.
Okay, so we saw you add a cart.
Yeah, and I'm gonna try to find some text on my end that we could use as well.
Cool. We saw you.
Yeah, let's do like this.
1 second. Okay, cool.
Okay.
All right, 1 second. Is the all right, done. Good to go now.
Do you have any special codes or anything that you can offer?
Well, I can do normally I offer the retargeting for like extra 25% instead of 20% they got initially.
Okay.
Yeah. And there will be a discount code if they apply that. They need to apply that.
Okay. Let's do that. Let's add that in there.
All right. So, discount. It's 25 written right here is this one.
Say it again.
Right here. Can you see that? The
Yeah, go ahead and type that in. Yeah, type it in how you normally do your codes that you know works.
So don't forget to, oh wait, say that already. All right. Get extra 25% off with okay,
Perfect. And then we're going to make a few more tweaks here.
gotcha.
So we'll go ahead and do this where we go. Hey, instead of added to cart, because they're also going to be viewing your content, we'll say something slightly different. Like, hey, you almost forgot to complete your purchase. Get
okay.
an extra. Let's see if we have enough space here. So we're here to help. Awesome.
Yeah, that looks great.
And then we'll just do price. So they see the price. And then,
well, this one, okay. So this price is my original price, not the discount price though. Oh, current price. Yes, that looks more. That looks correct.
and then, okay. And then shop now. Yep. And then all we'll do is add in the URL parameters. So if you want to add in the URL parameters now.
Should do that later. Should I? Okay.
You can't turn this to, right now we can't turn it to a existing post because it's dynamic. So we'll just go with this.
Okay.
So you can add in the parameters.
Source. So that would be site source name.
That's correct.
Okay. Campaign ID, campaign name, and then, no, sorry.
So campaign medium's ad set name.
Campaign medium's ad set name?
Yeah.
Okay.
ID is just a string of numbers.
And this one is campaign name, is that correct?
Yes. Yeah.
And this one is the ad name?
Yes.
Or, okay. And UTM placements. No replacement. All right. Does it look good to you?
Sure does. Hit apply.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do is, so that's one, right? This is one variation. So we'll publish, right? And we'll turn this off just so that way we can get some more ads in here. And there's going to be another ad we're going to create that's probably going to convert even better than this, and it's not going to have a discount. How exciting is that?
That'll be amazing.
Yeah, so we'll turn this off. We're going to duplicate it though.
Okay.
And it's going to be a single image this go around.
Single image, okay.
So we'll turn this off. And we'll do single image. And then here, we're going to remove this. And we're going to do description. Brand name. What is the
This one is
description?
this one is the old one. You can do another one though.
Awesome. Okay, that's a pretty long description. That's all right. The whole point of this is to have a lot of variation. We couldn't write all these ads if we wanted to. It would take so long.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, people are going to see this and it's going to feel so fresh to them constantly. So this ad is just gonna have total relevance, and it's gonna be really hard to make this fatigue because it's gonna be always so different for every single person. So it's nearly impossible to make this ad die.
All right.
The next thing we're gonna do here is we're just going to. Usually we do the brand name in the headline plus the product name. So like it would be product name for one. So let's see here. Where's your product name? Okay, yeah, your brand name might be too long to add in here, so we'll do that. And then here for this description, we could either leave it blank or you could do like type in one of your little promotion offers. Anything you want to add here?
Okay.
Like on sale or anything like that. Any major call outs you have that work?
Like up to 50% off sale.
Yeah,
is that a good one?
No, that's good.
Up to 50% off.
Boom, that's perfect.
Wait.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Okay. Where is it? I can see that.
Oh, it's going to show up in different variations. It just depends if it'll show up based off the size of things.
Gotcha.
All right, and then you just everything's already done on this one. So we could publish this one next, right?
I want for the discount one. This one is for okay, so this one is going to be show different product to different people.
Oh,
like
yeah,
dynamically.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Show them the exact ones they're visiting. And then we'll do another one that gets more placements as well. It's going to be slightly different. So what we'll do is we'll click Carousel, except the format is going to be multiple products, and we're going to choose Slideshow. Headline is going to be product name again. Pretty much same thing, except in case they have multiple items in cart, we want to show them all items, not just one. You know? So we'll do that. Now, if they have like 6 items, they're going to see all 6. Not only that, but it's a slideshow. So as long as you have multiple images per, oh, well, once you install Flexify, it'll work.
Okay. Yeah, I'll set up later tonight to do that.
So you're going to be able to show up in video feeds and stuff too as well. This is in a slideshow format. All right. And then for the description, what we'll do is you're going to do that copy that you use in your other ads. Like this one. You want to do that?
Sure, definitely.
You want to copy that?
Yes, I've already done that. Okay.
And then paste it in there. Now you're going to have that with a load of different, based off the exact items they used.
Gotcha. Okay, so this one right here is the slideshow one. What's the difference between the dynamic carousel and this one, the slideshow?
The slideshow essentially is going to show, like, for instance, if you have this image down here, let's look at this. If you have the excavator, it's going to show the first image is this, then it's going to go to the next frame, show that one, then the next frame, this one.
Oh, okay.
Going to show all 3 frames. It's just not doing it right now because you don't have Flexify.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
So that's this one. And then we're going to do one more, and then we're going to drop because of timing.
Yeah, definitely.
So promise that it's down a little bit longer. So what we can do real quick is hit duplicate. Duplicate. You're going to have to come back and name all the ads and, the ad sets.
Yes, yes.
But just for timing's sake. Now we're going to do who purchased in the last 180 days. And then we're going to do, yep. And then we're going to go to the ad set level for this one. We're just going to delete 2 of these. Okay. I'm going to hit edit.
Okay. On Carousel.
And this is going to be one of your best converting audiences too. And what we'll do is we're going to make a loyalty ad like this. It's going to be the same carousel, except for the text. Okay. We're going to play into your post funnel, which is getting customers to come back to you, which is going to be awesome. And so we'll say right here, we appreciate you for being such. Well, actually, let's do this. We appreciate you for being our loyal customer. Come back for your next order. Right?
Okay.
And then, so we're thanking them.
So yeah, can we add another discount code as well, or just leave that way?
We can do 2 ads, one with one and one without.
Okay. Gotcha, I see.
And then what we'll do next is we'll go ahead and add to the imagery by choosing single image this time. And then what we'll do is edit creative. And we'll add catalog info. We're going to do drop down. We're going to do strike through price if possible. Yep. And then.
Wow, that's amazing.
I'm going to hit save. And now we have a strike through price.
Wow, that's amazing. This one looks great.
Yeah, this one's going to make you a lot of money for sure. And your customers are going to love it. They're going to absolutely love it. Because now they get to see the price and the slash through. And we're appreciating them, and they get to see the discount automatically. So technically, the code doesn't even really apply here because they get to see this visually.
Yeah, wow.
Awesome. Looks great too.
Yeah. All right, I'm definitely gonna work on the Flex side to do the collections.
There's so much we can do for dynamic. These are just a few things, right? And look, it even color matches it in some cases.
Wow. Wow.
It's gonna be really fun. So cool. So
that's
cool.
Awesome.
So that's that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to publish this one because that's a post purchase. And we could even have another one that's specifically dedicated to cold as well. But like, I would say cold as in like people who've maybe engaged with an ad, clicked on one, but hasn't necessarily like fully made it into viewing the product or adding to cart, and then just show them like a variety of like items.
Gotcha.
Super awesome.
So when at the asset level, just choose the people who click the ad but not like doing anything. Okay.
Yep. And that's just some of the retargeting ones you can do. And then like, there's even a couple more that, you know, you could come up with as well. But yeah, that's one that's going to work really well for you.
Definitely. I would definitely go ahead and try this two assets first and then see what's going on next.
Awesome.
Great. Okay. Thank you for the time, Chase.
Yeah, no problem. I'm looking forward to seeing how these
Definitely.
results turn out, Henry.
Definitely. I'll do that now.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Alrighty, take care.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.